similar type of local coupons, even Groupon. You may be wondering like, well, isn't Groupon free to businesses? Sort of. Their model, just very quickly, is they want you to discount your food or your service by 50%, and they often take another 50%. So if you got a $20 product, if a business has a $20 product, they want you to sell it for $10. Then they take half of that. So they're making $5 on a $20 product. And they don't get keep the customer database in any sense. But the reason they do it is because they're raising their hand saying, I'm willing to give away a lot to get a customer. So any business doing Groupon is a perfect prospect for you. Is this making sense? Is this helpful? Yes. Also, you can even look for businesses that are not currently profiting from coupons or online advertising. Like you can Google or type a business near me or type of business in your city or town, businesses that already do specials. Like you can see on Facebook, sometimes on their Facebook page, or maybe some of the businesses, they already do like daily or, weekly specials. Like in this case from La Broya, Chicago, buy one, get one free pizza or pasta Monday. These are great offers to drive in new customers running a birthday ad, okay? And all we're going to do, folks, is we're going to collect their information so you can put it on a spreadsheet, and you're just going to save that for right now. And once you do that, even though there are many ways to reach out to potential clients, we'll just use one that is free and proven to work, and that is through email outreach. Who can do email here? Everyone can do email, right? Everyone can do email. So here is the 74-word email that opens the door. I'm almost embarrassed to share this with you, but it's so effective, it works, and I'm going to give it to you. You can take a screenshot of this right now, and you can use it if you want. The subject is quick question. Hi, business owner's name. So when you do your research on the business, figure out what their name is. Don't just say, dear sir. That's just so impersonal. So hi, John or Jane, whatever their name is. Would you be interested in getting your business in front of thousands of people in your city area who are celebrating a birthday and are looking for a nice place to dine? If your business can benefit from an additional 5 to 6 birthday parties each week, reply with a quick yes and your best number, and let's quickly chat about it. I can also shoot you some info. Just let me know. Thanks. Let me ask you a question. If you were a business owner, knowing the current state that we're in, and here you are providing a intriguing opportunity to deliver more customers, would you at least be receptive to the message? Would you at least want your curiosity piqued to find out more? Absolutely. This is why this email works so well, folks. And you got it. You got it right here. The goal is to get people who are interested to reply for more information. So like Megan says, sent out 4 emails, and within 5 minutes had an appointment booked for tomorrow. The email script is fire. I want this for you. I want this for you, and it can be for you, and it will be for you, right? So here's the thing. If they're interested, great. Explain the details and next step. If they're not interested, great. Move on to the next contact, because there's millions of businesses that you can contact. If they don't reply, great. Move on to the next business. You have something of great value to offer, and you shouldn't stress out over those who don't see that value, okay? In the U.S. alone, there's over 31.7 million small businesses. Let's say that again, 31.7 million small businesses who need more customers, folks. Remember, what we said earlier, there's an average of 188 businesses per zip code just in the U.S. Just in the U.S. There's over 840 zip codes in every U.S. state. Let's say you decide to work with just 5 zip codes around you, right? Just 5. Not 10, but just 5. But 188 business per zip code, that's about 940 businesses within your reach. If only 1% of those say yes to this offer, that's 10 businesses times $500 per month. That's $5,000 a month in recurring revenue for you. And you only need 1% of businesses from 0.6 of zip codes in your state to create a $5,000 per month recurring monthly income. Let me ask you, would an extra, put in the question box, please, would an extra $5,000 a month have a positive impact on your life and your home budget? I know there's people on this call that they want bigger bucks than that, but there may be some folks like me. If you and I are in the same situation, when I first started back in like 2012, 2013, when I was just trying to make a few $1,000s, I was trying to make my first $1,000 a month just so I could go out to eat with dignity and not look at my